Hey everybody, welcome to the very first 2020 Toyota Tacoma mod video. My friends at LASFIT sent me some LEDs for the exterior and for the interior, and I will be making two separate videos, one for the interior and one for the exterior. First off, we have their 194s, and these are for the map lights and the license plate lights. Next, we have their 921 LED, which is for the reverse lights. And then we have a 28 millimeter festoon bulb, and this is for the dome light. The Tacoma actually takes a 29 millimeter, but they say that they have the 28 in stock, and this is what people generally use. So I'm sure it won't be a problem. And one thing they did not stock was the 7065 for the vanity lights. So I sourced those on my own, and I'll be installing those just so I can have a complete package of LEDs. Now the truck came with the LED headlight and fog light package from the factory. That was an extra cost option on the 2020. Mine happened to come with that. So my headlights, fog lights, front turn signals, and all that stuff, they're all good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think first I will go ahead and tackle the interior. So stay tuned. All right, for those of you that may not have seen last week's video, this is my brand new 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD 4x4 off-road. And it's in the short bed configuration in magnetic gray metallic. And just to let you know, I did trade in my 2017 Mustang on this truck, and don't regret that at all. Never drove the Mustang, but this I plan on driving all the time. Lots of projects coming up on this truck, so stay tuned. The first of which, the interior lighting, which is pathetic. I don't know how it's coming through on video, but these two map lights, incandescent, dome light incandescent, and for a truck that has all LEDs pretty much everywhere else, I have no idea why Toyota has decided to not make those LED, but if you reach out to LASFIT, they can sell you very quality bulbs, LEDs I should say, at a fair price. And my experience is their stuff is very top quality, not the cheap eBay stuff that you might buy. So I enjoy installing their product. Anyway, there's a million how-to videos out there, but we'll just make this one real quick. Just need to pull off the lenses and pop those out. So let's get started. Okay, to remove this lens, it's very simple. I just stuck a flat blade screwdriver under there, and it pries down very easily, and then gently with your fingers, you can pull it off. And so there's the bulb in there. I'm gonna let that cool down for just a minute, and then I will reach in and remove it, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison. All right, just real quick. These bulbs can be kind of a pain to get out of there because there's not a lot of room for your fingers, but a trick that everyone uses is if you wrap a piece of tape around it, you can go ahead and easily remove it. Well, you can see the absolute dramatic difference this makes. 1950 technology, 2020 technology. It's going to provide a huge difference at night. On to the other one. Done. Onto the dome light. Oh, they fade in and fade out just like the factory lights. So that's a pretty cool thing. And they don't seem to be polarity sensitive like some of your cheaper alternatives. Always a plus. Moving on to the dome light here. Very simple to remove this cover. On the front side, it's got these two little indentations you can see right there that are perfect size for a flat blade screwdriver. So you just put that in there, the lens pops right off. Inside there is the festoon style bulb. I'm going to pull that out and install this one. Again, this is a 28 millimeter. The truck calls for a 29, but they say the 28 will work just fine, and it looks like they are right. So let's get this installed. One thing interesting, this festoon style has quite a large heat sink on it, aluminum heat sink. Never seen one like that before. All right, as you can see, got the dome done. I know it's there's kind of a flare in the video, but that is obviously not the case in real life. Very good quality, very happy with these. We'll do a shot at night, so stay tuned for the finished product. And here we are at night. Tons of light on the inside. Front seat, back seat. Got the dome and the maps. Great result. Highly recommend these LASFIT LEDs. Links will be in the description. Let me know if you have any questions, and definitely look for the next part of this, the exterior LEDs. So until then, we'll catch you on the flip side.